welcome back to my channel. For the one that it's their first time here, welcome. I'm very happy for you to be here today with me. So today we're creating a Christmas look using one palette as I usually do. I'm using the Coastal Scent 252 Ultimate palette, and it has a lot of beautiful colors. I've had this palette for so many years now and it is still great, and this palette is not expensive. So today it's actually Christmas Eve, so hopefully I will get this video up by tomorrow, December 25th, on Christmas Day. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and before we get into this tutorial, do not forget to subscribe because, you know, it would make me happy. Without further ado, let's jump into this tutorial. Okay, I'm starting with my eyebrows already done. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color Cafe to clean up the top part of my brows. Then underneath my brows, I'm going in with the Maybelline Facestudio Master Conceal in the color Medium 40. Now I'm blending this concealer using a synthetic brush. I feel like it blends it very seamlessly. Yes. Now I'm using the same concealer on my eyelids. This will act like a eyeshadow base, so I'm blending this out with the same synthetic brush. And for today's look, we are using the beautiful Coastal Scent palette. I'm going in my crease with this beautiful green color. I'm all going to use green colors on my eyelids. So yeah, in the crease, I'm going in with this green color. And then to blend this color, I'm going in with a lighter green. And then on my eyelids, I'm sorry, I did not show it, but I will be adding a darker green. So it make a... I don't even know if it's the word that I'm trying to say, but a gradient effect. So it's going from the darkest shade to the lightest shade. For my face, I will be using the e.l.f. primer. And then for foundation, I will be going in with the Maybelline Fit Me plus Poreless foundation in the color Coconut. And I'm blending this out using my Real Techniques beauty sponge. To highlight my face, I will be using my Maybelline Facestudio Master Conceal in the color Medium. So to highlight, I will be putting the concealer under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, my chin, and lately not lately, but sometimes I do not feel like putting the concealer on my forehead, so that will be the case for today. And to blend the concealer out, I will be using the same Real Techniques sponge. To set my highlighted areas, I will go in with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I really like this powder because it has a yellow tint to it, so it makes my under eyes and my highlighted areas pop more. Now to set the rest of my face, I will be using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte no, it's not a foundation. I meant Pro Matte powder in the color Cacao. To contour, I will be using the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in the color Dark to Deep, and I will be using the two dark colors to contour my cheekbones, my forehead, and to contour my nose, I will be using the lightest brown of the palette. In here, you're seeing me setting my eyebrows with my face powder because I felt like it was too bright under there, so yeah. Okay, so for blush, I'm using this She palette. I think I found this at my dollar store, but it's working just fine. And now underneath my eyes, I will be putting this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color Fair. And basically, I did that because I wanted the eyeshadow to pop as much as possible. And now I will be going with this white pearl shimmer shade, and on top of that I will be packing the red color. Now I'm using my L'Oreal Carbon Black Voluminous mascara. I'm putting my Beauty Supply Store lashes. They good, really. Like, I'm impressed. Now I will be using my NYC liquid liner. I'm creating fake lashes because I want my bottom lashes to be as thick as possible, so that's what I am doing here. And then I'm coating my lower lash line using the same mascara. To set my face, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, and to highlight my face, I'm going in with the BH Cosmetics times Carly Bible palette, and I am highlighting the top of my cheeks, my nose, the bridge of my nose, my inner tear duct, my brow bone, and my Cupid's bow. To line my lips, I'm going in with the Cacao Bold Eye pencil. And then for lipstick, I'm going in with the NYX Butter Gloss in the color Creme Brulee. And on top of that, I'm using the lip gloss from a beauty supply store. That's it. Alright, so this is the final look. I really hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up so I know you did enjoy this video. And I will see you on my next one. Have a wonderful Christmas day with all your friends and family. And yeah, mwah.